Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Aries, fire sign. This reading is about your person current feelings and actions, and this is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. So let's see. This is February monthly reading, guys. So let's see your person current feelings. Aries. Eight of Wands under the deck. They want to communicate with you. They're thinking about to communicate. And there is some moment is coming in your relationship. And it is coming very fast. Aries, Eight of Wands energy, fast moving energy. And there is a lot of communication, back and forth communication is going to be happen. And they're really willing to communicate with you. Okay, this is communication, about everything communication. So let's see. Your person current feelings towards you, the Strength, first card, and Emperor and Nine of Pentacles. Your person is very abundant. They're very grounded. They stand by their power and they're very attractive also. And Strength card. So what I'm getting here, your person was overcome a lot of struggles and stand by their power. Yeah, this is your person. And for some, your person thinking about you like you are very powerful person and you stand by your power. Okay, I think you both are very powerful couple. What I'm getting here, you both are working on yourself because these three cards are very powerful cards because explain about individuality, working on their self. Here the Strength and Nine of Pentacles again. Their current feelings towards you, maybe they're thinking about you, that you are working on yourself and you are looking very attractive, you stand by your power, that type of energy what I'm getting here, Aries. And right now your person also want to work on their career, on their financial stability, and they really want to offer stability also to this connection because the Emperor is here and this person is very committed and honest towards the relationship. So maybe your person have some ego problems also, but they really want to offer commitment. And for some, your person really working hard towards their goals and want to achieve financial stability. Yeah, they want to achieve something before coming towards you. And they're getting their strength. If you're in separation, they're getting their strength all back and to communicate with you. If you are in relationship with your person, they want to take this to next level because the Emperor is commitment, marriage. Okay, but you both are, what I'm getting here, you both are concentrating on yourselves and your energy, your financial abundance, something like that. But you both are very matured couple. What I'm getting here, there is some I think you both are understanding about each other a lot. I'm not seeing any negative, that's why. So the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Yeah. So your person thinking about you very positively. They really want to commit to you and some communication is going to be happen between both of you. So let's see the near future actions towards you. Under the deck, Ten of Cups. Yeah, they really want to offer Ten of Cups happiness to you. Lot of cards. Again, the Leo. The person involved in this connection could be Leo also. Okay, the Sun. Okay, Chariot. Wow. Two cards. Okay, Two of Wands. Three of Pentacles. Yeah, they want partnership with you and they want to take this relationship to next level. I think if you are in relationship with this person, they want they want to marry you. Some marriage proposals what I'm seeing here, because the Emperor is here and Three of Pentacles and the Sun. Yeah, this is the most positive arcana in the deck, major arcana, and definitely you are their happiness, you are their sunshine, definitely. And the Chariot, they're coming, they want to take this relationship to next level, and yeah, there is some movement, but it is slow. And Two of Wands, they're thinking about this, I think marriage, whatever, but there is some movement, but very slow. And Two of Wands, they're thinking about you a lot, and again this could be long distance relationship. That way this is the slow moving energies here. You both live in different cities, different countries, or different states, but your person thinking about you very positively. I'm not seeing any negative thing in this reading. So if you have any problem, then watch tarot card readings, otherwise you don't, okay? If you have problem, then okay. So yeah, there is some thinking going in your person mind about this relationship to take to next level. Maybe for some, if you are in separation, that's why the communication is coming in your way. They really want to offer commitment, this because you are their happiness, but they're taking things very slowly, because the Chariot and Two of Wands, again this could be long distance relationship. And the person involved in this connection could be Cancer or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So Three of Pentacles, this is partnership and collaboration. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and outcome. See, Ten of Pentacles. Princess of Swords, communication, and Knight of Wands. They are very attracted to you, and there is a lot of passion involved in this connection. And Princess of Swords, communication, and yeah, maybe if you are in separation, they keep stabs on you. And Ten of Pentacles, they really want to offer stability and long-term commitment. The Moon and the Tower. Why? Yeah. So what I'm seeing here, for some Temperance again under the deck, the person involved in this connection could be Sagittarius also. So patience is the key. That's why things are moving very slowly. So what I'm getting here, for some you both are in separation, but after separation you both are working on yourself to get both you back on track. And your person realize you both, and they're making their move through communication. That's why they keep tabs on you. And but now everything, I think it's past energy what I'm getting here. There is something mysterious, something hidden in this connection, and it's you, Aries. You are undergoing some Tower movement, but there is, I think it is mutual called the Fool, new beginnings. There are new beginnings between both of you are coming, because the Fool is here. Fool means new beginnings in relationship. So yeah, Tower moment, you are missing them a lot. Even though you are working on yourself, you achieved everything, but sometimes you are feeling this moment with when you are thinking about them. But the Fool is here. There is new beginnings coming between you and your person, Aries. Because Temperance, patience is the key what I'm getting here. That's why things are turning into very slow level. Yeah, that's why they're getting the strength to come forward you. So let's see some message from Moon Oracle deck. Don't let your past hold you back. A personal issue reaches resolution. These are the two messages from Moon Oracle deck. So first card is don't let your past hold you back. Yeah, in past maybe you have issues with your person. Maybe you want to offer commitment, but you are holding back. You are taking it very slow. But don't let, this is the message from universe, don't let your past hold you back. Okay, leave the past behind and you should move on. With this person also, leave the past. Past is past. Okay, And another message, a personal issue reaches resolution. Yeah, maybe you have any issues in relationship or in your family, whatever, that your issues reaches resolution, some solution is coming. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.